I'm Megan and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys my experience with Hismile. I am super excited to share this with you guys. So if you're curious to hear my thoughts on these products, then you're in the right place. So just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I first want to thank Mark with Hismile for reaching out to me and asking me if I would like to try out their products. And of course I was like, yes. Well, my first question was, does it cause sensitivity? And he was like, no, our gel formula does not. And I was like, all right, bring it on. So he sent me all of these products to test out. So my experience with Mark and all of that, he was so nice, so kind, and so fun to work with. So thank you, Mark, for reaching out and, you know, trusting my opinion and testing out your products. So now, to begin with, he sent me their original gel formula as well as, you know, the light and all of that, the gels. So when you purchase the products, you will get, this is what your kit will look like. And then you'll also get one of these like cards in here so it can tell you, you know, you put your teeth up and then go from, all right, if you're a number 4, then you're going to go to number 2 or number 1 or what have you. So anyhow, he sent me over the gel with the light, the mouth tray, and all of that. And I tried it out and I loved it. And he was like, all right, tell me what you think. So I told him and I was like, I love this. I was like, it's no sensitivity. This is wonderful. And he said, well, we're reformulating our gels and the mouth tray, so it should fit a little more comfortably, and the gel is supposed to whiten your teeth a lot more fast without the sensitivity. Same deal. So he sent me the brand new gels, and guys, I cannot believe how white my teeth got within 6 days. I was like a shade 3. I mean, my teeth weren't really that dark, but I did have some staining from coffee and things like that. But I am at shade number 2, between 2 and 1 now. And I mean, after 6 uses in 10 minutes an application, that's it. So I'm obsessed with this. And not only do I enjoy the set, I love the toothpaste that goes along with it as well. So anyhow, I have just a little backstory with me and teeth whitening. I have went to the dentist. I purchased, it was $310, and I just got a couple of, you know, syringes of gel and, you know, the mouth tray, and I got the least amount of whatever's in it to whiten your teeth, and I used it one time. I had to put it in my mouth, I think for an hour is how much the dentist told me to leave it in there for. And guys, when I took it out of my mouth, I about cried all night long. I mean, I was covering my mouth because of me breathing, the fan, the air was hitting my teeth. I mean, I was in so much pain. And I spent all that money for what? I couldn't even use it. I still have it to this day. Used it one time. And I went to the dentist and they were like, we give you the lowest amount of whatever's in it that whitens your teeth. And, you know, that's all we have. So I couldn't even whiten my teeth. I have tried all of the over-the-counter, the Crest white strips, and they just don't stay on. They just go everywhere. I didn't really enjoy that. And really, I mean, I bought some things from Sephora with the light. I've tried all different kinds of things, and I just didn't get really the results that I was hoping for. It was either had to leave it in too long, or, you know, it hurt my teeth, or what have you. So when Mark reached out to me and sent me these products, I was a little weary, I will have to say, because, you know, most of these products say, you know, sensitivity free or whatever, it's not going to hurt your teeth. But anyhow, I went out on a limb of faith and tried these products, and guys, I was amazed. I did not feel one stitch of hurt, pain, anything like that, and I got the results that I wanted. I'm going to open this up and show you. So you're actually going to get, mine are, you know, this one's almost done, but you get 3 syringes of the gel. So it looks like that. And then it actually tells you, you put a fourth. So there are 2 uses in this. That's why you get 3, because you only need to use it for 6 times to get the results. So anyhow, it gives you the little mark on there to where you use it. And then I will pull this out. So after looking on their website, this whole kit with the 6 sessions of gel as well as the light in the mouth tray, it's $59.99. So all you have to do, and whenever you first get yours, you'll have a little tab, or you may have to pull this off and pull the tab out so the battery will work. And then you just simply slide this on to the light. Make sure it's on there good. So it will look like this. And then you will put 1/4 on the top and then 1/4 on the bottom. Turn on the light, there you can see it, and put it in. And it's very, very, very comfortable, guys. So comfortable. And did you hear that beep? So you put it in your mouth 10 minutes and then it will beep and it will cut off on its own. So I cannot say enough how much I enjoy these products. I enjoyed the original gel, but then once they sent me the revised with the, different whitening formula that's in it, it's supposed to be stronger, but still, won't give you any sensitivity. I noticed my teeth got much whiter with the new gel versus the old gel, and they were both great. But now they do have the new one, so that is what is available to you guys. I will go ahead and give you my reasons on why I love it. For one, the sensitivity thing, guys. That's my number one why I will continue to use Hismile for forever. Just because I can use it. I don't have to worry about it hurting my teeth. Afterwards I can do whatever I want. It's only 10 minutes out of my day for 6 days. And then of course you can continue to use it or touch up maybe, once or twice a week if you wanted to, just to kind of keep your teeth, because daily activities, if you drink coffee, if you smoke or whatever, you're going to get staining on your teeth. So you might want to maybe once or twice a week just reuse it. The second reason why I love it is so convenient. So it's in my mouth, hands-free. I don't have to hold anything up there. I do laundry, I edit my videos, I watch TV. I can do whatever I want while, I just can't talk. My fiance, that's what he loves about it the most, when I'm putting this in and I'm sitting there, because he can talk and say whatever he wants, and I'm like, so you can't talk with it, but that's okay. And it's just so convenient, guys. The fact that I'm hands-free, I can do whatever I want. It's only 10 minutes, and it doesn't hurt my teeth. What more can you ask for? So I love that. Along with this regimen that I'm in, I'm actually obsessed with this, and I'm out of it. I've got to purchase some more. But there you have a day and night toothpaste. The day toothpaste prevents stains. And then the night toothpaste removes stains and detoxifies the mouth. So the day toothpaste is white, I think, and then the night one is dark. So it's got the charcoal in it, and I love this system. This is $11.99. They also have the pink toothpaste, which it comes in a thing like this. And this says it's a special formulation and distinct spearmint flavor revitalizes the mouth, leaving you feeling fresh and clean after each use. So it says to use morning and night. So you can choose this one. I prefer the day and night toothpaste. That's my preference, but this toothpaste is great as well. But I just like having one that you use in the day and one at night. So the pink toothpaste is $10.99, and then the day and night is $11.99. Also, if you want to continue using Hismile after your 6 days, you can purchase you don't have to pay another $60 to get a whole nother kit. You can actually just buy the gels. So it'll come like this, and there gives you 6 more uses, and this is $23.99. So I was also looking on their website. Afterpay is an option at checkout. So I love Afterpay, guys. It's so good. I don't know who invented it, but I'm so great that they did. So you can get all of this for, you know, probably under $10 because it's like 3 or 4 payments with Afterpay, and you know, it won't be that bad. Which really, another thing that I forgot to mention why I love this kit so much is because, for one, the starter kit's $59.99. When I went to the dentist, it was $310, and I did not get near as many gels as I did with Hismile. So really, guys, I have no complaints whatsoever with this teeth whitening system, the toothpaste, everything. And they are just such a great company, guys. Like I said, Mark, the guy that reached out to me, has been so nice and so helpful. Any question I had, he was there to answer my email. So thank you, Mark, again for reaching out to me. But yes, so I would highly, highly, highly recommend Hismile to you guys if you are on the fence or if you have sensitivity issues. I would definitely give Hismile a try. I'm telling you right now, you will not regret it. You're going to get the results you want. I promise you that. And it's only 10 minutes out of your day for less than a week. And the price is amazing. So definitely go check out hismile.com. I will leave all of the links down below so you can check out everything. And yeah, again, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best teeth whitening system that I have ever used in my life. And I have tried so many. So anyhow, if you guys have any questions for me and my experience with it, or you know, if you want to know anything, just email me, or everything's linked down below. You can message me, leave it in the comments, whatever. But yes, guys, so that is my experience with Hismile. And if you guys try it out, I know you guys will have the same experience as I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, then give your girl a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to do that as well. You can also hit the little post notification bell so you are notified of all my future uploads. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next ones. Bye.